What's going on, everyone? Today we're in Lewis Center, Ohio at Schumacher Homes Columbus North location, and we're getting ready to walk through another beautiful version of the Charleston. So let me get you outside. I'll tell you all about it. All right, y'all, say hello to the Charleston Modern Hill Country. I love the stone on this one. You've got some nice dark blue board and batten as well as some black shutters. I absolutely love it. And then looks like you've got like some almost like aged cedar right here on the front entryway. Now inside you are going to find 4 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms. There is a 2-car garage over to the left-hand side of the house, and all that sits inside of 2,400 square feet. If you are interested in this home, it does start at approximately $467,000, and this has got to be one of my favorite floor plans from Schumacher. So with that, let's get inside and see what all we can find. All right, here we go. So this is the view that you're greeted with just as soon as you walk in, and just tons of windows. I love it. This is another one of those, like, I don't know, super family friendly kind of homes, I feel like. But this is your front entryway. Nice foyer right here, tons of space to do things. You've got a chandelier and a little accent ceiling up there as well. And then just to the left-hand side, as you enter the home, you've got this office space. Now, it doesn't necessarily have to be an office, right? It can be whatever you want it to be. Again, Schumacher Homes is a custom home builder, so if you wanted this to be something else, maybe you didn't want the built-ins, right? Maybe you wanted bigger built-ins, you want to turn this into like a library space, maybe like, I mean, literally anything, right? They can do it. So this home is just for inspiration, right? Or an idea, maybe you like the layout. And let me know those things down in the comments. Tell me what you like, what you dislike, things that you might want to change or rearrange if this home was to be yours. I'd love to hear about it. And then while you're down there, hit that subscribe button. I'd appreciate it. Anyway, on the opposite side, you do have a powder room. And then just beyond that is the coat closet. So we're all right here, really close to the entryway. And then from there, it opens up into all of your common spaces. So a completely open floor plan with bedrooms on one side and then the master bedroom on the opposite side. So a nice split plan design, which is nice. But anyway, we'll start right here in the living room. Of course, beautiful windows shedding a whole bunch of light into the home itself. You've got this beautiful kind of shiplap accent wall. When I think modern hill country, I think kind of Texas. I would almost think like more of a Western motif, right? I don't know. That's just kind of what I get from it. But they also have the American traditional, which kind of more so fits that bill. But I guess the exterior, you know, with all the stone and stuff. Anyway, you do have this staircase, which we'll get down to it in a little bit. Leads down to the basement, but it's got like this nice steel metal staircase. And then on this side of the home, you are going to find 3 of the bedrooms. So we're going to start over here to the back of the home, and this is going to be the first of the 3 secondary bedrooms. And into its closet. And then just around the corner from that, this is the bathroom. And I think all 3 of the bedrooms share this bathroom. So you got the shower and tub with the tile going all the way up to the ceiling. Just a nice deep tub though. That thing is humongous. And then you've got the toilet just kind of around the corner behind that partition wall. A linen closet. And then you've got a great big single vanity. And then one of my favorite parts about this floor plan is that this bedroom right here, which sits all the way up towards the front of the house, I know it's a little smaller than the other two secondary bedrooms, but I always love how it has the higher ceilings of the 3 rooms, and I think it just looks super neat. But this one's got some exposed beams in it. It's got this nice big chandelier hanging down in the middle of the room. And then into its closet. And then around the corner, also kind of up towards the front of the house, this is the 3rd secondary bedroom. Yeah, ran up here, grabbed, I think we ended up doing 4 homes today. This is actually the last one that we're doing for the day. And then headed back, let the pups out. Jen took off to a wedding. So I'm in charge of the house for the weekend. But anyway, coming back out here into the kitchen and dining room space. Nice island. You've got 3 pendant lights hanging down over the top of it. You've got a little cabinet and drawer on this side. And then on the front side, ooh, I like this. It's just got like 3 drawers coming down on this side. But you've got the apron sink, kind of looking back out towards everything. And you've got the dishwasher. And then along the back wall, well, I guess we'll go ahead and dive into this. It does have a pantry. But along the back wall, you've got, of course, your gas range and your range hood. Cabinets throughout the kitchen, not quite going all the way up to the ceiling. And then along the far wall, you've got a little buffet section. Maybe you put like a little coffee pot or something over there. You've got your refrigerator, and then you have a built-in oven and microwave. And then through here, this kind of works back towards the garage. So you've got your whole tree with your bench and some kind of open storage space. This right here is the garage door. They've got a bunch of stuff out there in terms of storage and everything, but it's 2-car garage. I've showed them to you before. And then opposite that, you've got the laundry room. So you got like this nice little wash basin and your washer and dryer hookups. And then beyond all that, you've got the dining room, or at least the dining space. I'll tell you what though, oh my goodness. It's something different. Coming back to like 2,000 and 3,000 square foot homes. I just feel like I blow through them so fast. But you do have Like where those like 8,000 square foot homes, that's a half-hour tour, right? And it takes about an hour in total to film. These right here, they take like, I don't know, maybe 30 minutes to film. But I mean, the cool thing is that they're so close to each other in terms of the models that once you unpack your gear, you don't have to set it back up, and that really speeds up the process. I just thought it was neat. Like, it's different looking back at everything and kind of from a tour perspective. But anyway, leaving the dining room and working our way towards the master bedroom, you do have like this little pocket office space with this great big window. And a number of things. We've seen these turned into bars, like as you're working your way back to the bedroom. This could be like a little coffee station, so as soon as you come out of the bedroom in the morning, right? All types of stuff. A little library, a little reading nook. But then from there you enter into the bedroom itself. It's got this nice deep tray up in the ceiling. That's probably the one thing that I do love about all of the master bedrooms in the Schumacher Homes is they're just massive, like humongous picture windows. Anyway, coming into the ensuite, you've got zero threshold into the shower with the rainfall shower head and normal shower head. And then opposite that, you've got the double vanities. You've got a little partition wall and the toilet. And then you have a his and her closet. So this one's more of a reach-in closet where you could have like, I guess a barn door, accordion style door, something like that, or maybe no doors, maybe don't need any doors, right? And then this is the bigger of the two closets. And then from here, we'll pop downstairs and check out the basement. See if you got any good ideas for that. Now it is going to be unfinished, but and I've been doing it in all of the ones we've been touring just to give you an idea, because they're all like, they've got different layouts down here, right? So it's just different things, especially for those of you that kind of like to design and kind of envision what can go where. But just plenty of space, all types of stuff. All right, y'all let me know what you think about this home down in the comments. If you want any more information on this home or Schumacher Homes, you can find that information right down there in the description. With that, I hope you enjoyed the tour. I hope you go on to have a fantastic day. And as always, my name's Timothy. I look forward to seeing your beautiful face in the next one.